Kiara has me looking fabulous. Hi, Tami Goodwin again. So we're getting ready for our video shoot. Super excited. Chris is getting ready to shoot. Erika and I, we're going to talk about our team, Luxury Living International. We're going to talk about what we did before, how we became partners, how I courted this girl for 18 months, y'all. 18 months. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how we both tried partners before and it didn't work. And the great thing is, the person who I tried to partner with before, it wasn't one of those sour deals. She and I are really good friends. We just agreed. We agreed that, you know what, partnering wasn't for us, but we both want the best for each other. So I'm always commenting on her stuff. She's always commenting on mine. She is doing a fabulous job. You know, I love it. But Erika and I, we work really well together, no matter what. Of course, we've had a lot of people say, "Ooh, you sure you want a partner? Ooh, you know how this is gonna be to get a partner." Even our spouses were the same way, like, "Ooh, you sure you want a partner?" But we partnered up because we wanted to also be able to enjoy our family lives. Because she's got 3 girls and I have 4 boys, and her girls, 2 of them are older, 1 is still in the house, and I have one of mine getting ready to graduate because I got a 18, 15, 14, and 8. So, you know, I'm gonna have a little time in my house, and I need to have some time where we can go on vacation and I'm not working. And now that Erika and I are partners, when we go out and we go on vacation or we have to go somewhere with our family or we have an emergency, we feel secure that the other person is taking care of what they need to take care of. So here's Erika looking fabulous. Hello, world. Hi. And so we're good at it because we're good at being partners because we're wives and we're used to, you know, having to take a back seat, so to speak, or a side seat. So we're good with sometimes she's my boss, sometimes I'm her boss. So it works out well.